So, hi guys, once again, we are welcome back to the AWS class. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the CloudWatch. CloudWatch is basically the monitoring services offered by AWS. Okay, it is very famous monitoring services along all there are other monitoring services also offered by Azure, also Google Cloud, also and HP Cytoscope also. Among them, nowadays, CloudWatch is almost you can say that number one monitoring services which worldwide the people are using this. It is very famous, monitoring service. It is used for monitoring the number of service. Either you can monitor EC2, S3, Redshift, okay, database, RDS, and all. Any one of them you can. Okay. So how to create? So in the left hand side, you can see that these are the what services offered by CloudWatch. Alarm, logs, metrics, etc. everything. Okay. So you can see that you can click on that. After clicking, you can see that in alarm, all alarms and billing. Okay. After that, you can see that logs, log groups, log, and so basically log is what? These are the resource log. These are what? If you are going to monitor EC2, then EC2 log will come. Okay. So let me tell you how to create the alarm. This is the alarm dashboard. Okay. You can create alarm here. This is one way of creating the alarm. Okay. Click on create alarm. Uh, I'm just selecting only for 1 or 3 hour. Okay. You can select how much you want. So we do not have anything, right? Yes or no? Correct or not? We do not have, right? So
Yeah.
so this is what one of the way we can select. Suppose I'm going to select EC2. These are the parameters. In alarm. Next. What's your email ID? Or you can create new topic also and SNS topic. Suppose I'm just giving, it is not a valid email ID. Better to create a new one. This is not the valid email ID, okay? Alarm 01. You can give anything. Click on create next. We do not have EC2. So alarm is created. Now you can see that all alarm, right? Yes or no? This is one way. Why it is showing insufficient data? Because EC2 we do not have. So let us create the EC2. So this is one way to create the alarm. Another way is what? On the service itself, we can create the alarm. Why it is two security group? C2 dashboard. Click on instance. After clicking on instance, you can see that launch instance. If the I think I have already explained you, so no need to go in that much depth. Correct? EC2. Select window. Okay, create new security group. See, this is the name, instance ID, after status pending, status check, and you can see that alarm status. So nothing is there. From here, we can create the alarm or edit an alarm. If existing alarm, if you have already, so here you can select existing alarm. You do not have. So in alarm, what are the items we are going to check? CPU utilization. Okay. Every 5 minutes, it is going to generate the logs. Guys, you can increase also. After 6 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, whatever may be. Clear? Hello? Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically try to alarm, and these are the attributes which we are going to verify or we are going to monitor through the what? CloudWatch on EC2. Okay. Alarm name is this one. It includes what? EC2 instance ID. Alarm description is what? Consecutive every 5 minutes period, right? This is what we have selected. If you are going to select 15 minutes, see it will show like that. Why it is not replacing? It should be in place of, you can say, mark as 15. But 15 is so much, right? We have to wait that much. Better to put 5 minutes so that we can check. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Now click on create. So alarm will be created on the EC2 instance. No data available because 5 minutes is not completed. Now go to CloudWatch. In the CloudWatch, you can see that, like, go to the alarm. or dashboard also. Recent alarm. So this is what we have created on the EC2 instance. Here all the reports you can check. Okay, how much utilization, everything you can edit, delete, copy. So sometimes why we need a edit? Because sometimes we need after 15 minutes, after 6 hours, it should generate the log, right? Yes or no? Correct, guys?
Yes.
Delete, copy, add to dashboard. You can add to the dashboard also. Viewing resource health also. Everything you can do through the CloudWatch. Okay. Now billing will be also very high. So billing alarm is what? You can create a billing alarm of your account also. If it is going to, you know, whenever it is going to exceed $10, $50, I'm just telling you individually, it is not for enterprises, okay? So they can trigger the email to your email ID. Okay. After that, you can see that logs. Guys, so guys, you can create one alarm for your account, okay?
Mhm. Uh, is the this billings is in dollars here or
Yes, yes, it is in dollar. In AWS dollar, let me show you.
INR option is there?
The cost is the same thing, 0.001%. Okay.
But even if we create this alarm, we need to pay, it will charge, right?
Yeah, yeah. Well, no, nothing is free. In cloud, one concept always remember, nothing is free. No, the data is feeding, correct? Yes or no? Sachin, in this way, you can monitor or not
Yes.
everything. Okay. So that is the reason CloudWatch is going to give you very good visualization. Okay. Now go to the EC2
We
and
can
try.
create our own dashboard here.
You can create in CloudWatch, you can create your own dashboard. See, let me
It,
show
it,
you.
it has all the metrics of anything, of database, everything.
Everything you can apply CloudWatch on RDS also, S3 also. That is what I was telling you. One services I have told you, next of the services you have to do that. RDS, S3, you know how to create the S3, right? You
Yeah,
know
yeah,
how to create the database, correct? You
yeah.
have to apply the alarm on that. It's just a monitoring service, nothing else. Okay. You can create own dashboard here to show all the failure, okay? Then we go to EC2. We go there, select this. Let me delete this. CloudWatch. Go to CloudWatch. Go to alarm. And go to all the alarms. Here and delete it. Before deleting, let us tell you what is log groups. So why we are going to create the log group? Okay. So basically, if you want to see only EC2 instance log, then you can create the one log group for EC2 instance. If you want to see the RDS or database related log, you can create the log for RDS. Okay. Guys, just a second. I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, let it be. They are going to enter. So let us create a log group. EC2 log 01. You can set the time also 1 day, 2 days, 3 day, whatever maybe. Suppose 1 day. Standard or infrequent, whatever maybe. Click on create. Now created, right? Yes or no? Guys, this is created. So this will show all your logs, okay? So like that, you have to go through all these. Event also you can create, event rules and all. And especially play with this area, this and this area. Because in solution architect associate, they will ask you maximum question from this area. Okay. There are so many, you can edit all these options. You can go through and just try to do each and every one. Sai, are you getting or not? You get confused?
No. Okay, it's okay.
Okay. So let me clean the environment. Log group also going to charge you. So do not think everything is not chargeable, okay? Now tell me guys, where to use CloudWatch? No one have asked till now. Where to use CloudWatch? Side?
Where to use CloudWatch pins? I didn't understand.
Where you are going to use? Where you are going to apply the CloudWatch?
Uh,
Do you have any use case in your mind?
in
Or might be
security,
you came
in security,
across
in security for monitoring, it's of course, it's in security.
not only security. Sachin, did you get anything in your mind? When to use CloudWatch?
We are using CloudWatch for monitoring the application levels.
Alerting.
So anything that from like if you have an EC2 instance
So
or maybe
okay, let me guys tell you. Basically, CloudWatch first, primarily they have created CloudWatch to monitor the resources. Either it is EC2, either it is RDS, either it is S3, whatever may be. But S3 we don't require because based on the capacity, automatically it is going to increase. Okay. So it is a waste of your money. You are going to what? Almost we used to see that, because we can dump any amount of data in S3, but we cannot dump any amount of data into the EC2 or ECS and all because we have to increase the size. Then only we can dump, correct? Yes or no?
Mhm. Yeah.
See, so it is not a good suggestion to use CloudWatch on S3, but you can use, CloudWatch on EC2. You can use CloudWatch on all the database services, other services, okay? Anywhere on-prem, whatever may be the place. AWS Lambda also you can use. Okay. All the compute services, database services, okay. Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah, okay.
So in this, in the CloudWatch, you have to create the dashboard also. You have to create alarm also. You have to, create the billing dashboard also. In log group, you have to create the log group. Okay. So log group for different instance. So mainly we are going to use the CloudWatch till now, mainly on infrastructure side. Mainly we are going to use what? Infrastructure side. Especially the Sachin, like your profile, you need very depth knowledge on CloudWatch because you are going to monitor something should not be failed. Correct?
Correct.
Sometimes. Yeah. Maybe the people are working under you, they are going to monitor, but you should also have the basic understanding where why the CPU is, what is the percentage of CPU utilization, how much additional volume is required to perform so that it will not harm the performance. Correct? In EC2 we used to attach the volume, correct?
Correct.
Yes. So all those parameters you have to check and try to know. So here please first create one EC2 instance. Let us take one use case. Just a second. See, what are the items you have to do? Create one EC2 instance. Fine. Then you have to establish what? Alarm on it. Suppose 01. You can create multiple alarm here on single EC2 instance for different purpose. Okay. So that you have to do. Said, are you getting or not? What I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay. Then you have to create what? Log group. Then you have to create what? To view very identically and very, to view the status of all the resources, you have to create the dashboard. After everything, you have to do also billing. There are so many other stuff also. You have to do the billing also. Billing alarm. Just create it and delete it. I'm not telling you just wait for 1 month, then it will going to trigger in it. At least you should know how to create. That is the most important point. Okay. So this is the basic use case of the CloudWatch. Okay. Clear? Yes or no? Guys, are
Yes.
you able to do all this stuff? See,
Yes.
right now I'm explaining you what is this particular resource, how to create a node. After everything is done, then I will give you some use case. Implement this. Provide the solution. Okay. So as a solution architect, you should have the knowledge, okay, how to provide. Although as a solution architect, you are not going to create, but you should have the basic understanding how to create, right? You have to provide the solution like this. So all these will you are able to do, Sahid? Sahid,
Yeah, I will try this.
this is only 5 minutes job. Let me show you. Don't say I will try this. You have to
Yeah,
do this. Okay.
yeah, I can do this. Can do this now also, I think.
Okay. No, no, you can do later. I'm
Yeah,
not telling you right now itself. That is not, it is not a school.
yeah,
But just I want to, if you have any doubt, please let me
yeah,
know.
yeah, sure.
One more assignment I have given you, just integrate EC2 with S3. Hope you remember, right?
But actually, that I looked through Google. It requires some extra tool, right? External tool like S3 or
Yes.
something. Yeah. So that tool, what is it? Is a third party tool or the AWS tool itself?
Any open source tool you can use now.
Oh,
I
okay.
told you, right? GitHub Action, I have already explained you, right? In GitHub Action, if you will create one public repository, put
Mm,
some code into that. We had a discussion earlier, hope you remember, right?
yeah, yeah.
And then deploy your code into the EC2 and then, put the artifact in S3.
Mhm. Uh, I because I didn't find that tool. What was that tool required?
GitHub Action is, that's all.
That's okay.
Man, so many times on GitHub Action, I'm telling you, correct?
So GitHub Action, I can connect a GitHub Action to S3 and EC2 at the same time.
Yes, man, you can just write the pipeline, that's all.
Okay.
If you are going to purchase, do not, licensing tools are there. That
Mm,
is easy.
mm,
Okay. Directly you can change the configuration, you are able to connect. But that is, better way is what we don't want to spend money, right? Because
yeah.
we are learning. Correct? Write one pipeline and directly that's all. Clear or not? Tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me try that one.
Sachin, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Great. So not, CloudWatch you can implement not only in EC2, RDS, each and every, resources which are available on AWS, on RDS also. Correct? Anyone have any doubt?
No, no.
So hope today you are going to, at least everyone, whatever the left in the, let it be, please go through this CloudWatch and do all the, and I need tomorrow you are going to ask me all the questions.
Mm,
Okay. I have created the alarm on EC2, but I am not able to see the logs, how to check that. Okay. How to verify whether utilization. That is you, if you will go through all these, you will understand itself. If something you are not able to understand, please tell me. I will tell you how to monitor. Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Although it is what everything is what, if it is a red line and it is going to show, then you have to increase the performance and all. Okay.
Yeah.
But do not accumulate all the suggestion, otherwise your price will be high
Mhm.
because you are working on.
Free account.
Yes. Clear?
Mhm.
Okay, guys. So tomorrow, just finish all the CloudWatch related labs. Okay, and then we will discuss on any doubt. Then we'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll proceed further. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks.
Thank you.